Here we are at our future beautiful garden, which is right now a mess of a jungle. We need massive amount of cutting, clearing, and pruning of trees, and the season is upon us. Only a few weeks left where we're able to burn things, and then it's becoming illegal, so the pressure is on. But we got our third quote in yesterday for the job.
Yeah, and actually I feel a bit like the weather today. It's raining, it's nasty, and the quotes were the same. They were so high, it's ridiculous, and we just don't really know what to do now.
Well, honey, it might be time for us to put on the overalls.
Again? Okay, let's do it.
Let's do
but
it.
there is a tiny little problem. We don't have any tools.
Oops, I guess we better go get shopping.
Yeah, let's do that.